Hi guys. All right, so I read the books on Epic, animals in winter and animals in spring. So I wanted to show you things that I learned, and hopefully you'll learn when you read it. Okay, so the types of animals that you could see in the winter are squirrels, bears, foxes, and hares or rabbits. If I was to pick one animal and tell how it gets ready for winter, I would pick the squirrel. I really like the squirrels because they're just so cute when you can see them up close and eating the little bits of food. So in the fall, the squirrel actually starts to get ready for winter by gathering up the food, so nuts and seeds, and they store them in a safe place so they don't get stolen by other animals. Now, we are in the spring season, even though we're getting really warm temperatures like we would in the summer. I don't see a lot of animals right now, though I did see a chipmunk scurrying across my deck outside here. So let's take a look at animals that we could see in the springtime. We could see dogs, just like my dog here. This is Riker. Riker's a golden retriever. Say hi, Riker. We can also see groundhogs, turtles in the lakes, lambs, bear cubs, because this is the time that mama bears will have their babies, and frogs. The animal I chose to talk about for springtime is a frog. Frogs lay eggs in a pond. Eggs become tadpoles, and soon after that, they transform into frogs. I chose frogs because when I was a kid, I used to walk with my mom to a local conservation area, and we would always see the tadpoles swimming in the water, and it looked so cool. And to see them grow into frogs was pretty awesome. Now we're gonna look at the trees in each of the seasons. So if you look at the summer tree here, see the grass kind of along the bottom there, and the trunk of the tree, and as you're going up, just the tree is just full of leaves and flowers. Move into the fall tree. So the temperature outside is getting a little bit colder. We have to wear coats when we're outside, and probably no more shorts. You'll see the leaves change color. They won't be really green anymore. They'll start to change into a reddish, orange, yellow color. And that's what I drew on this picture here. And then once the wind blows, you'll see the leaves starting to fall down to the ground. Fall is also a really good season because we get to pile up the leaves with our rake and jump in them. Have you guys ever jumped in a pile of leaves? So much fun. Next, we go into the winter tree. And as you see in the winter tree, all the leaves from the fall have fallen and are now covered by the white snow. So nothing on these trees whatsoever except for the bark and the branches. Lastly, we have the spring tree, which is the trees that we see right now in spring. If you see right here, we have a little bit of green, kind of brown spots there. Those are the buds. So those are the openings of the leaves and the flowers. Let's take a little look at some real trees around my backyard. So here we go. Here are some trees in my backyard. And if I try to come up close, you can see this here. It's gonna point to it, this right here. There you go. That is called a bud. So that's the beginning of the flower that will just bloom open and turn into something like this. And when it's summertime, we'll see it look like that. So really beautiful, nice and green. And that's what. So I really hope you enjoyed reading those books on Epic as much as I did. It was really fun and interesting to learn about the different animals in those 2 seasons and to draw my trees. I hope you like those, and it'd be really great to for you to let me know which animal you picked for the spring and for the winter. Until next week, bye. Have a good weekend.